This tutorial will show you how to access online books through the Schoen Library catalog. Schoen Library owns several thousand books that can be accessed online and viewed on your computer. So this is what you do. From any Merrillhurst web page, you click on Schoen Library right at the top in the middle of the, right there. Schoen Library. I'm clicking on this. And so this is our search screen. What you want to do first, you want to sign in. This way you have access to a lot more stuff. So right in the middle of the screen, there's a sign in button. And it's going to ask me for my Merrillhurst ID number and my last name. So I click that information in. And log in. Now that you're signed in, you'll see this screen. And the first thing you want to do is click the Advanced Search button, the little link right in the middle, kind of towards the top, right here. It says Advanced Search. We want to go there to be able to limit our search a little more. And now you'll see this screen. And if you signed in, you'll see your name right up at the top up here. So first thing we want to do in the Advanced Search, we want to change the search scope. That's the bottom right box where it says books, articles, and more. We want to change this to Schoen Library. So instead of looking for articles and books outside of Schoen Library, we'll just limit our search to Schoen Library. That's what I've done. And then where it says material items, we want to change this to books. So we've limited our search to books and Schoen Library. Top right, I'm going to put in a couple of search terms. I'm going to keep it pretty broad. I'm going to search for food and society. So this will look for books in Schoen Library on these two topics, food and society. I click search. I can narrow down my search some, but we want to make sure we get a lot of books to look at. So here we are. Looks like we've got 135 items. It says 58 full text online and 76 available in the library. We're interested in the online books, so I'm going to limit my search now to full text online by clicking this little link. So these are the 58 books that we have online on food and society. This first one looks pretty neat. Food and Society Principles and Paradoxes. If I want some more information about it, I click on Details. And here I'll get a description of the book. I can look at the table of contents, more information, the publisher, and all that good stuff. The subject headings can be really useful. So this looks like a pretty cool book. I want to view it. So I can click on the title or click the link over here that says View It. Since I signed in before, now it'll let me, it'll take me to this point. Otherwise, it would ask me to sign in. So I'm signed in, and at this point, I can click on View Full Text. We get our ebooks through a couple of different platforms, so this might look different on whichever book you're looking at. In this case, it wants me to sign in one more time. So it first wants to know which institution I go to school. And this is a list of different Summit universities. I'm going to click Merrillhurst. And then one more time it's going to ask for my login information. So this is what this particular book looks like once I've clicked on it. Like I said, we get our ebooks through different companies and publishers, so this might look a little bit different. But for this one, this is what it looks like. I get all the great publishing information here. If I click on contents, I can see all the different chapter titles. Right over here on the left, I click Read Online, and it'll load up on my computer. And it takes a minute because it's a long book. But once it comes up, I can usually print off, usually it's about 60 pages an hour. It varies from publisher to publisher. You can sometimes download a few pages at a time as well. And you can definitely read the whole book online or a specific chapter, whatever works for you. So this is how to limit your search and access our online ebooks. Let us know if you have any questions at reference@merrillhurst.edu or by phone at 503-699-6261. Thanks.